Should you install iOS 27 beta? Here are the risks. Hey everyone, welcome back to TECHLOAD. Apple has officially released the first iOS 27 beta, and many iPhone users are excited to try the new features before everyone else. But before you hit that update button, here are some important problems you should know about. Also, keep in mind that once you update to iOS 27 beta, downgrading back to a previous iOS version may not be easy for normal users. The process can be complicated, may require a computer, and in some cases Apple may stop signing older versions, making downgrades impossible. One of the biggest issues beta users often face is battery drain. Your iPhone may lose battery faster than usual because Apple is still optimizing the software. Another common problem is app compatibility. Some apps, especially banking apps, editing apps, and games, may crash unexpectedly or not work properly at all. You may also notice overheating during charging, gaming, or even normal daily use. This is very common with early beta versions. Another thing to keep in mind is unexpected restarts, connection issues with Bluetooth devices, Wi-Fi bugs, and notification problems. These types of issues are common during the early stages of beta testing. So should you install iOS 27 beta? If your iPhone is your primary device and you rely on it every day for work, school, banking, or content creation, I recommend waiting for the public beta or the final stable release. However, if you have a secondary iPhone and want to test the newest features like Siri AI improvements and the latest Apple Intelligence updates, then the beta can be a fun experience. Apple. One more important thing. Once you install iOS 27 beta, going back to your previous iOS version is not as simple as pressing an uninstall button. In most cases, you'll need a Mac or Windows computer, a full device restore, and a backup created before installing the beta. If you don't have a compatible backup, you could lose some of your recent data. Also, Apple eventually stops signing older iOS versions, which means downgrading may become impossible after a certain period of time. So before installing iOS 27 beta, make sure you understand. Let me know in the comments. Have you installed iOS 27 beta yet? And how is it performing on your iPhone? Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.